Hello, in front of me I've got Vgate OBD2 interface. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the original box. Here at the back we can find barcode with serial number and also name of the product. Here we can scan the QR code to download Vgate firmware updater app. Now let's take it out of the box. Right here we've got the interface. This is the classical OBD2 diagnostic interface. At the bottom of the box we can find the manual, and also here we can find warranty info and specification, Bluetooth 4 dual, and support iOS and Android. Also we can check the information that the Vgate diagnostic port supports all OBD2 protocols. Take a look at the manual. From the manual we can learn how do I know whether my vehicle is compliant, what OBD2 protocols does iCar Pro support, what apps can I use with iCar Pro, and manual how to connect it to your car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.